Hello dear students, this is As Muhammad Khan and I welcome you with today's segment student. Today we are starting a new chapter, chapter 13, and it is related to magnetic effect of current. Yes student, about the magnetic effect of current we will do the study in detail, but before the magnetic effect of current we will discuss about the magnetism and magnetic field and magnetic field lines. So student, what is magnet? Magnet is a body which attracts the magnetic materials like iron, cobalt and nickel. Means these all objects are attracted by the magnet, and these materials, iron, cobalt and nickel materials, are known as magnetic material student. And with this, the virtue or the property by which they attract the magnetic materials is known as magnetism. Means the property by which they attract or repel the magnet or the magnetic materials is known as magnetism. And this magnetism was discovered student 2500 years ago. And as you have read one story that it was discovered by a shepherd when he was roaming his group of the sheep to the forest. At that time his stick was stuck to the rock, and with the help of that magnetic rock was discovered, and after discovering the magnetic rock the magnet was discovered student. Now we come on the magnetic effect of current, and about this we will read in detail in this chapter student. What is the magnetic effect of the current? It was discovered by a great scientist, Hans Christian Ørsted. Once he was doing one experiment with the help of electric circuit. So when he passed the current in that circuit, then suddenly what he observed that the compass needle that was found near that circuit was deflected. And with the help of that deflection, what he found the magnetic effect of current, or he discovered the magnetic effect of current. So who discovered the magnetic effect of current student? Yes, it was discovered by Hans Christian Ørsted. Now what is it student? When the current is passed through a conductor, then it behaves like a magnet, and this effect is known as magnetic effect of electric current. So in this chapter about this topic we will read in detail, but before this topic we will study about magnetic field and magnetic field lines. So now we will discuss about the properties of the magnet. So student, now we will discuss about the properties of the magnet. So the first property is a magnet attracts material like iron, cobalt and nickel, and it can also attract the other magnet, or it can repel the magnet. So it is the first property. It has two poles, north pole and south pole. So student, here I am making the bar magnet. It is the bar magnet and it has the two pole, north pole and south pole. So the attraction is maximum at the end or the side of the magnet. Means the force of attraction or the repulsion is maximum at the side of the magnet student. Next property student, it orients itself in north and south direction if we suspend it. If we suspend it with the help of thread. Like if I suspend one magnet here with the help of thread, then it will move in the north and the south direction, and it will move itself without any other interaction, it moves in the north and south direction itself, student. Next is like poles repel each other, means if the south and the south pole of other magnet come near to each other, then what will they do? They will repel each other. They will repel. If the north pole and south pole of the different magnet, they come near to each other, then what will they do? They will attract each other. Means like poles repel each other and unlike poles attract each other. And when they repel each other, then the force that is found in the magnet, in between the magnet, is known as repulsion. And if they attract each other, then that force is known as the force of attraction. Now we come on the next topic, that is magnetic field, student. Space. So student, now we will discuss about the magnetic field. What is magnetic field, student? It is the space around the magnet. Like here it is the bar magnet. So the space around the magnet where it shows its magnetism is known as magnetic field. Means the space from where it shows its magnetism is known as magnetic field. So what is it? Magnetic field is an area around the magnet in which it can show the attraction and the repulsion of the magnet or the magnetic material, student. And magnetic field can be shown with the help of the imaginary lines, and those imaginary lines are known as magnetic field lines. Really, they are not found around the magnet, student. What are they? They are imaginary lines, student. So only in the diagram you can draw that. So here the magnetic field lines are shown. In this, the magnetic field lines outside the magnet, they are moving from north to south. But inside the magnet, they are moving from south to north. So it is the first property of the magnetic field line. Second property, I have told you that what are they? They are the imaginary lines. And they are the closed curves, closed continuous curves around the magnet. Means closed continuous curves around the magnet. And their number, means the magnetic field lines number is increased according to the magnetism. If in that particular space, if the more magnetism is found, then the number of the magnetic field lines is also increased. Next important property of the magnetic field line, student, they don't intersect each other. Means they move in a particular direction. Like here they are moving, means outside they are moving from north to south without intersecting other magnetic field lines. Why, student? Because they are moving a particular force in a particular direction. That's why they are not intersecting each other, student. So it is the important characteristic of the magnetic field lines, and it is the most important question for the exam point of view, student. What is magnetic field? What is magnetic field lines? And what are the properties of the magnetic field lines? So now you will learn all these three topics, student. Thank you very much and have a nice day.